If you are having difficulties locating the shooting range in Bloodstrike, I want you to follow every step that I take. I'm going to show you how to locate the shooting range in Bloodstrike. So like, share and follow. Now I want you to tap this bottom right corner, bottom right interface where you see all the battle options. Then tap at the top right corner here where you see range. Allow the game to load, and here you are in the shooting range room. So enjoy and make sure to follow me for more tips and Bloodstrike gameplay. Also share this video to your friends who you think this might be helpful to. Thanks.